Okay, so I got the error code. If you come all the way over to PlayStation Network and down to sign in, go into sign in, hit sign in. If your username's not already saved, type it in. Sorry about the shaky camera. I haven't played this in a long time, and there's was an update, and looks like there's new terms and services. So if this video helps, please like. Let's see if this works. You can restart your router too. That's supposed to work, but I didn't want to go over to the router, and I don't know. I feel like there's something else. So let's try this. Hit OK. Go down to accept. Oh no, we don't. I just hit over to the left and hit accept. Accept. Sign in. Okay. So after that, I went sign in. I went back to sign in. So let's try it now. Go to settings, then network settings, and then do a connection test. PlayStation Network, the PSN. We'll see if that connects. Because before it said failed. And I'm trying to, oh, it succeeded, good. See, so that fixed it. So that's all you got to do. So I was trying to go to GTA 5 Online, and it gave me that error code. Alright, give me a like and subscribe for more of these videos. Thanks.